Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials and opening the Google Pay app. This speeds verification. Sign into your Google account, then tap Add a Payment Method and choose Bank Account. Enter your routing and account numbers or link a debit card for instant verification. Once done, review bank terms and let the app request micro deposits if required. Make sure location and network permissions are granted so verification requests complete without interruption. This reduces failed attempts and avoids repeated delays. Next, you complete verification and link the account by following the chosen method. If you use debit card instant verification, provide CVV and card expiry, and authorize the small temporary charge, Google Pay confirms immediately. If micro deposits are used, your bank posts 2 small amounts within a few days. Check statements and enter those exact cents into the app. Once Google Pay confirms the amounts, your bank account becomes linked for payments and transfers, enabling direct deposits and bank-to-bank transfers. Finally, you finalize setup and verify functionality. Confirm the account status reads verified, then perform a small $1 transfer or link a recurring payment to test. If verification fails, make sure routing and account numbers are exact and that your bank allows ACH linking. Retry instant verification or switch to micro deposits. If problems persist, contact your bank with the transaction ID or screenshots and then contact Google Pay support. This targeted troubleshooting usually resolves holds or formatting mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.